you can score 20 out of 20. I am saying many times now. It is phase transformation, right? And yesterday we have discussed about the free energy versus temperature, right? For liquid and solid, right? And also we have discussed about the driving force for the solidification or freezing. That is delta G. Fine, del G. And what is the expression of that? Driving force for the solidification or freezing? Gs minus Cs, right? Free energy of solid minus free energy of liquid, right? Because liquid is solidifying to solid. So final is solid. Initial was liquid. So final minus initial. Final free energy minus initial free energy. So if you want to record the video, you can. No problem. Oh, you are being better. We would like to derive. This is a derivation actually. This is the first one is the derivation. We will derive the expression of del G finally. Gs minus Cs. Okay, I can write. I'll start here. I can write delta G is equal to. Okay, fine. Delta G is nothing but the driving force. Change in free energy. Right? Gs is the free energy of solid. Gl is the free energy of the liquid. Right? Then suppose, if you remember, free energy is a function of temperature. If temperature changes, free energy will change. Right? So I can write like this: delta G at a temperature T. This T is at any temperature. Right? Is equal to, I can write G T S minus. Is okay? This expression means free energy is a function of temperature. And melting point is important, obviously, right? Suppose I want to write free energy at melting point. Tm is melting point. Right? So I can write what? Same thing. dTm solid minus dTm. This expression is for melting point. Right? And if you remember, the free energy of solid and free energy of liquid at melting point is what? Same, equal, right? So difference will be 0, obviously. Delta Gtm will be 0, obviously, right? So this will be because the free energy of solid is equal to free energy of liquid at Tm. That means at melting point, maximum chances are both will exist. Solid will be there and liquid will be there, right? But if you go below Tm, then solid will exist. If you go above Tm, liquid will exist. Right? Free energy is different. Okay, anyway. So now, okay, suppose I want to write free energy of liquid, for example. G, okay, fine. Free energy of solid at any temperature. I should write what? Okay, fine. G is called H minus Ts. G is the free energy, H is the enthalpy, and T is the temperature, S is the entropy. Right? This expression already have gone through in the thermodynamics. So similarly, I can also write free energy of liquid at any temperature. Gl at any temperature T. Same liquid minus. Done. So this is the GTS means this is the free energy of solid at a particular temperature. This is the free energy of liquid at that temperature, right? In this expression I can write out. So finally, I want this one delta G. So this minus this. Okay, this minus this. You can write this solid T minus the liquid T. Right? That is nothing but delta G. Okay? Same as delta G change in free energy. Delta G. Temperature T is equal to how much? This will be solid minus liquid minus T entropy of solid minus entropy of liquid. Done. Okay? Yes or no? This minus this. That's all. So I can simply write finally. Okay, I can write delta G T is vertical view. And this is change, this is minus V, change in entropy, delta S. So this is the formula of expression. Okay. This is also important, as I told you. This one. If I write delta G Tm, delta G Tm for this one, it is equal to delta Tm minus T delta X. Okay. This is a melting point. Up to this it is clear, right? And we know that delta G Tm is equal to
0.
right? It is equal to delta Tm minus T delta S Tm, right? Why I am writing this kind of expression? Because I want to find out delta S Tm. Delta S is the change in entropy at melting point for this kind of freezing. For freezing, I want to find out change in entropy at melting point. Delta S Tm. So how much? So that means delta S Tm, sorry, Tm will be how much? Delta S Tm by T. Okay? It is okay up to this? So this is one of the expression. So change in entropy at melting point is equal to, this is change in enthalpy at melting point by temperature, right? So this is also Tm, right? And basically what is this? This is latent heat, right? In thermodynamics, enthalpy and heat are nearly same, right? What is the relationship between enthalpy and heat? Heat we express Q, right? Q by T. What is the relationship between enthalpy and this heat? Some pressure is involved, constant pressure. Heat at constant pressure.